let's start with a bigger question around how we should be thinking about the meaning and the importance of Gen AI in our organizations today.
That's a
David, you want
great
to take that?
question. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it really goes to the heart of why we created this course and why we called it Gen AI for Leaders. Because I think if you look at most of what's been out in the press over the last 2 years or 2 years plus since the advent of ChatGPT 3, so many, what feels like years ago now, it's the conversation's largely been focused around personal productivity. Everyone knows how to use large language models and other generative AI tools to draw pictures or to write short stories or to summarize emails and things like that. And those are very powerful capabilities, but at the end of the day, that's only scratching the surface of what they can do. And so, what gets Peter and I really excited is the fact that if you think about this as a tool for running companies, for building organizations and building real applications, it opens up this whole spectrum of other things you can do with generative AI. And just one example is that most of us in our companies have tremendous volumes of documents, unstructured documents, text messages, emails, chat messages, and it's always been very difficult to access that information and bring it into your data and analytics workflow. And generative AI changes the economics of that dramatically and makes it much more feasible to do. So we get very excited about the impact to really change the way companies operate through the judicious use of generative AI.
No, I think David, you say that perfectly. And just to add a little bit to that, generative AI, David and I have been around the block a number of times, and we've seen a lot of new technology evolve over obviously many decades. I've honestly never seen anything quite like this. And I think the ability to really make major changes within an organization are pretty profound. And I'm not one prone to hyperbole and over the top lectures on this stuff, but it will have we think, a very massive impact on a business. And I think helping leaders truly appreciate how to use this technology, how to embed it into their businesses, how to view it, and truly get a better understanding of what it really is. And, past all the marketing stuff that's out there and all the nice little, graphics that get created, there is at the heart an extraordinarily powerful technology that, coupled with data and the right strategy and the right way of looking at it, are truly going to be, I think, beyond impactful to most organizations.